Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. If you have old double hung sash windows like these, chances are they've been either painted or varnished so many times that you've got some that don't work anymore. They're just stuck shut. So these windows are actually not stuck, but I'm going to show you the areas that you need to get at in order to free up your windows that are stuck. So there are really three parts that you have to get at. Anywhere where the sash is coming in contact with a part of the window that doesn't move. First, you've got this line right here on the back side of the front stop. Second is this area where the top rail of the lower sash meets the bottom rail of the upper sash, and then at the sill. So the first spot to hit is this long section of contact between the sash and the back of the front stop. And we'll hit that with a utility knife, and you just stick the blade in there and score that paint. Try and cut right through it. So after you've scored the line at the back of that front stop, try the window and see if it works. You might be done right there. If not, you can move on to this other tool. This is called a sash saw. It's really, really thin, so it can get in there into that really tight gap, and it's got saw teeth on it. And you can stick that right in there and work it so you can really scrape that paint off of there. And you can use the same tools and techniques where the bottom of the sash meets the sill. So now we're going to deal with this rail up here where the top of the lower sash meets the bottom of the upper sash. And what we want to do is take a utility knife and score the line where they meet. Another tool that works great for something like this is once you've got that line scored, is take a putty knife and jam it down in there, and that can help you break the two sashes free from each other. So if your windows had a lot of paint on them and this process of unsticking them has made them kind of a mess, you'll want to get in here with a paint scraper and scrape off any excess paint before you prime and repaint them. So if you've tried all these techniques and your window still doesn't open, there's one final trick that all the pros swear by. For more great tips and techniques, visit us at familyhandyman.com.